do this one. Now we need to sketch the graph of f of x, which is x squared plus 7x plus 10. To work out the x-intercepts, we do x, factorize that, x plus 5, x plus 2. So the x-intercepts are x equals minus 5, x equals minus 2, and the y-intercept is 10. Okay, so let's sketch that. So minus 5 minus 2. Now let's try again. Okay, that should be fine, I think. Okay, so that's 10. 5 is 2. Okay, now we need to sketch g of x, which is a linear graph, 1 minus 3x. So the y-intercept is 1 and x-intercept. Y-intercept is 1, x-intercept is a third. So draw the line. Okay. So 1 over 3. Okay, that completes your first part. Actually, let's take a different color pen for the line. Make it green. Let's make it green. Okay. Let's see why. Okay. Now, for the next part, we want to write down the values of x for which f of x is greater than g of x. That means we need the x values for which the curve, the quadratic, is above the linear, the g of x. Okay, so we want those values of x. So to work that out, we need the x value of the points of intersection, these two. Okay, so that means we need to do simultaneous equations. So to simultaneous equations, one of the ways is to set them both equal to each other to get the points of intersection. So we've got x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 1 minus 3x. Make them all equal to each other to form a quadratic. X squared plus 10x plus 9 equals 0. You factorize it. X plus 9, x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 9, x equals minus 1. At this point, if you want to work out the y, it's not necessary, but if you want to, you can work out the y coordinates of the point of intersection will be 1 minus 3 times minus 9, because it's 1 minus 3x. So y is 28, and y equals 1 minus 3 times minus 1. So y equals 4. So the points of intersection are minus 9, 28, and minus 1, 4. Okay, so the points of intersection are minus 9, 28, and that one is minus 1, 4. Okay. Now we want the set of values of x for which f of x is above. So anything x less than minus 9. Okay, so we write down as set notation x such that x is less than minus 9, or any values of x when x is greater than minus 1. So or x is greater than minus 1. Okay, so these are the values of x for which the f of x is greater than g of x. what we should have done here is we should have labeled the graphs. So this is f of x, always label the graph, which is f of x, and that is g of x. We should have labeled that right at the beginning when we sketch the graphs.